the reality of it is you will get cut. The objective is just make it out of there alive. So for these contractors, the first thing to do is bunker mode ka. Patayin mo na lahat ng social media mo. Complete radio silence. Do not make a move because anything you say at this point, as you can see, sa social media natin, yung mga sumubok na mag-humanize, oh my goodness, you should see the comments. Talaga mamamatay ka sa kakatawa pag nabasa mo yung comments ng mga netizens in reaction to these people na nagpapaawa or pinapalabas na mabait naman talaga tong tao na to, yung mga may mga defenders. But you see, in this case, dahil sa talagang sukang-suka na yung mga tao, it's not working and it will not work. I would never advise that. You cannot PR your way out of a situation if you have no truth behind your defense. And you have no truth to defend you. Yun po.